this video, I will show you how to rationalize easily without the use of a calculator. Now, follow me and let's see how it goes. Now, number one, we must rationalize all these questions. For the first question, we have what? The square root of 12. Now, how do you rationalize all this, easily without the use of calculator? Number one is to find the multiple of each of them, then select the perfect square that is the highest. So for 12, what do we have? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4 are the multiples of 12. Now at this point, what are the perfect squares here? I have 1 and I have 4. Automatically, since 4 is the highest perfect square, it implies that what? It implies that 3 times 4 will be my perfect use. So it becomes what? Root 3 times root what? 4 in Surds, which now gives me what? 2 root 3. Now for 45, what do I have? I have what? 1 times 45, 2 can go, 3 times what? 50, 4 can go, 5 times what? 5 times 9, and I think that should be all. Now at this point, my perfect squares are what? 1 and what? 1 and 9, which implies that since 9 is my highest perfect square, it implies that what? My right multiple will be what? 5 times 9, which becomes root 5 root 9. Alright, so my answer now becomes what? 3 root 5. And so on. For root 81, what do I have? I have what? 1 times 81. I have 3 times 27. I have 6 can go. Alright, then 9 times 9. Alright, so yet again, in this case, since 9 is the highest, automatically my answer is actually 9. So this one is even like a cheat question there. Alright, so then for 72 and for 180, what we are? For 72, I have what? 1 times 72, right? 2 times 36. Can 3 go? Yes. 3 times what? That's 24. 4 should be able to go also. 4 here. That's 1. In 32, 8. 6 times what? 6 is 72. That should be 12. Alright. Can 7 go? No. 8. 8 times what to give us 72? 8 times 4 2 is 8. 9. Very good. 8 times 9 is 72. Now at this point, what do I have? 1, 36, 4, and 9. So looking at this, 36 is the highest perfect square. So automatically, this becomes what? Root 2 root 36. Invariably, it means that my answer will be what? 6 root 2. Alright? And finally for 180, what do I have? I have 1 times 180. I have 2 times 90. I have 3 times what? 60. I have 4 times what? 4 in, okay, so 2 here, that's 45. Should give me 180 because 2 times 2 is 4. 2 from here is 45. Okay, 5 times 5 here is what? 5 here is what? 5 is 60. 1. 5 in 10, 2, that's 12. 12 times 3, that's 24. 36, I mean. Alright. And so on and so forth. Alright. 6 times 20 and the rest of them. So I believe this should be my highest also, which implies that what? I have root 36 root 5. Automatically my answer becomes what? 6 root 5. As simple as that. And so whenever you see any question of this form in Surds, next time you should know what to do at this point.